What's up YouTube? It's Jason here with RedBeeLabs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel and enjoy in-depth reviews, unboxings, and everything in between, do me a favor. Drop a like on this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. Alright, today, I got a quick one for you guys, but today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a review of the, it's a Star Wars watch band. Now, you all know I love Star Wars, so when I saw this on, I think it was on Instagram, then I checked out Amazon and found it, because Instagram, I think theirs was sold out, but when I found this, I said yes, 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 yes. This one actually on the Instagram ad I was looking at was sold out, so it was awesome to find it on Amazon, which of course, I'll have some links in the description below. So let's get into it. All right, so like I said, it's the Rebels watch. This one is made of high-grade silicone band. Oh man, this is good for the 42 millimeter and the 44 millimeter, which is good. This is what I got. It also includes digital watch faces, so you get 20 digital watch faces with this, which is pretty cool. So I gotta see about downloading the app. On the back, you get a Rebel Edition for the Apple Watch. It's easy to install and remove. You get 20 downloadable watch faces, like I was saying. Soft touch silicone, sweat and UV resistant, which is awesome. Again, it's compatible with the 42 or 44 millimeter Apple Watch, and 2 underside straps, which fits most wrists. And let's hope that it does. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna crack it open. Like I said, this won't be too long of a video today. I just wanted to show you. I was just excited. I saw it online and I was like, man, I gotta get this. And then I saw it was sold out. I was like, I'm gonna put this right here. But it was on Amazon, which is crazy that I found that. So, I was excited about it. Let me open this. This is just, that's another language. This is just a quick start guide. It's gonna show you how to put it on there, and it tells me where to go to download the actual app I'm gonna need to get my watch faces. So, nothing special here, just open this up, slide her out, and very nice. That is very nice. That quality feels good too. Nothing like it's not gonna scratch off or anything. Very nice. Huh, okay. All right, so let me get my watch out here. Okay, and slide these off. Throw those over there. Nobody wants to see those. So we'll have that one off. Love how they're so easy to slide. Little cute little thing. Okay, so let me grab you and just snap them on. Already looks nice. Already. Goodness. Okay. Let me check this out of here. Okay, and this is just for the smaller one, the 42, the smaller wrists. Grab this. Bam. That is absolutely nice. Look at that. Look at that. Huh. Damn. That is really, really nice. And of course, if you're a Star Wars fan, it just means it just hits a little harder. It means a little, little rebels fighting the Empire. And it is actually licensed to Disney and Lucasfilm, so it's not some kind of knockoff thing that's gonna, fade out and just, fall apart. It's good quality. Again, guys, I'm gonna have a link in the description below, so you can pick one up too. There's also a Darth Vader one, and there's a Stormtrooper one, and of course, the Rebels edition. So, I decided to go with that one. The Stormtrooper looks really, really nice, but the Darth Vader one was just black. And, of course, I already have the black one that it comes with and a couple other, watch bands I bought. So I didn't want to just do that one. And the Stormtrooper one was really nice, but this one just stood out to me like, yes. And then, of course, the new Squadron game just released. So I was feeling like, hey, you know what? Need a little something with me to, play the game. Okay, so I'm going to grab my phone. Okay, guys, so I got my phone. Going to check out my case. Star Wars obsessed, yes. Going to the App Store. I actually just typed it in, MobiFace, and came up. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. And then Some Face ID on there. Boom, nice and fast. So hit open. And yeah, allow. Yeah, what the hell? Cool. Welcome to MobiFace. Choose from our free collection of watch faces or find our QR code inside the package. You know, I did that. We just want to pick a watch face and click Create Watch Face. And click again in the pop-up menu and customize and add it. Not bad. Adding animated watch faces means okay. I didn't know you could do animated ones, guys. You want to pick and create watch face. It will be added to your camera roll. Go to iPhoto in the camera to find it. Click on the action and find create watch face, customize, and add it. Okay. Not too difficult. Wow, so they have a whole lot of them. So let me go ahead and scroll to find, they got like Return of the Jedi. It's nice, nice. We got a wide variety of them. Dang. Now this one's actually paid, but they have a lot of free ones. Hold on. Is there anywhere I can search? Okay, guys, that was my fault. I read the instructions, and what I'm supposed to do is click up here and scan the QR code with this so I can get my exclusive pack. So my collection was added. There we go. So that was my fault. And now I have my collection right here. So who do I want? Nice, very nice. I don't know. Let me get like Yoda one real quick. That was nice. Oh, that is nice too. Let me just go easy with the Yoda one. Create a watch face, allow. Then create a watch face. I like it, I like it. We can go ahead and, go ahead and alter it where you want the date and time at. I am just gonna keep all the defaults so I can show you guys really quick and go ahead with the add. And boom, put the phone right here, and my watch face should be Baby Yoda. Oh, well, Yoda, sorry. Very nice. Put that pin in. All right, that is nice, guys. Okay, well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed that. That was pretty quick. I just wanted to, show you I was really excited about getting the watch band, and it was something different. Like I'd never got any Star Wars ones before. I always had, different kind of bands or metal bands or things like that. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So that was the Star Wars watch band. I'm going to have some links in the description below, and I want you guys to go cop it. I really love it. It's really nice. It feels good. And it feels nice, like not cheap or like it's going to fall apart or the, design is going to fade away or anything like that. If you found value in this video, if you could drop a like, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. And also follow me on social media for more content and behind the scenes stuff. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.